Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to go to the best Peking duck restaurant in Beijing. It is Quanjude restaurant. So this is the best restaurant in Beijing based on several websites. So we are going to try to eat here. There are many branches of this restaurant, so it's a big restaurant with around 150 years of history. They are specialized in cooking Peking duck, the Beijing Peking duck. So these are their menus. What's unique from this restaurant is that they didn't serve the Peking duck directly on our table, but instead the chef himself cut the duck in front of us. He divided the roast duck or the Peking duck to several parts based on the Peking duck body parts. So he divided the skin into one plate, the meat into one plate, the legs into one plate. So they have like several different plates for several different parts of the Peking duck. As you can see, the chef is very detailed in making the roast using the Peking duck meat. So actually this restaurant won an award by making pictures from the Peking duck meat, like this roast. They have made one and they won an award. I forgot what award, but you can search it. And these are the Peking duck after being divided to several plates. This is the roast earlier. These are the meat, the skin of the duck. They also provide us with tortilla, and the waiter will teach us how to wrap the duck inside the tortilla. So he takes several meats and then dip it into the sauce. After that, put it inside the tortilla wrap. And in the end, he added a part of cucumber and wrap it. So this is how we can eat it using the tortilla wrap. You can choose using the tortilla wrap or directly just eat it without the tortilla wrap. provide us with sugar, cucumber, and sauce. You can dip it to any sauce that you want. Besides the Peking duck itself, we also ordered the mapo tofu. I think this is a really good mapo tofu. It's almost the same with what I usually eat in Indonesia. And this is our table full of Peking duck parts of meat. And we also ordered a fish dish here. This is the fish dish. It's super good in my opinion. The one that I visited here was Quanjude restaurant. So there are many branches of Quanjude restaurant in Beijing. You can search them in Google. They might be near you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel now, click the bell, and like this video now. I'll update 2 videos every week, mostly about traveling. Thank you!